light on when and where they need it. All right, my guest this morning from Bell and Howell is our friend Chad Allen. Good morning, Chad.
Good morning, Ty. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to my home. Ty, this is a runaway hit. We just got them back in stock. Bell and Howell makes quality products. I'll say it right off the very top. We all know it. And I say that right off the top because we've never, ever seen a solar panel on a light this large or of this quality, and especially not for that price. We sell solar panels here at the network that are just solar panels for hundreds of dollars. So I'm really proud of this 22 cell solar panel on the top that's going to power this spotlight. But how bright is it? There's a little switch on the back that you only really have to flip the first time, because when you turn it on, motion activation, it's the last time you ever have to touch that button. So I'm going to turn it on and I'm going to shine it behind me. And what you're going to notice is my dark room immediately becomes illuminated. That room is about 20 to 22 feet back, that back wall. That's giving you an idea of just how bright it is. But really, what is it? Why do I need this in my home or outside? The black ice, the snow, the puddles. This is the only place here at HSN where you get the included stake. Everywhere else you buy this on the infomercial, at the big box store, you have to mount this to like a tree or a fence or something like that, which we are giving you the included hardware. So you can do that, of course, but I got to tell you something. Having the included stake makes this so easy because you can line your property line. You can put it at the end of the driveway and light the driveway or the sidewalk. With the extra large solar panel and the 8 LEDs you see there, in that very center is a motion activation sensor along with a dawn to dusk sensor. So it knows when it's dark outside. That means it's not wasting your batteries in the daytime while it's trying to charge. Look right there, Ty. Thank you so much for being my close-up.
Sure.
But you can see the 8 LEDs with the rounded lens around each LED. That's really going to give it the dynamic range, the ultra-wide range that we get and we want when we're lighting something up. But if you take the dogs out and you just need the yard lit to see if they can go to the bathroom, things like that, this is going to be for you. But here's the thing. As I was having my cup of coffee and I was getting ready for the presentation, I was scrolling through the reviews. I was starting to read the reviews. And as I tell you about a review I read, I want to show you my background again, just so you can see how bright it is in case you're just tuning in. The reviews all talked about only purchasing one. They were saying, I bought one. I could not believe how bright it was when I got it home. I came back to buy a second or a third, and then they were sold out. HSN didn't have any more. Well, my friends, we're back in stock. All your friends and family, Ty, here they are for you today.
Yep, here they are back in stock. You're right, for a $20 bill to light that space. And now we're not just talking about lighting that space outside where you need it, but it's on when you need it, off when you don't need it. We're not trying to remember to turn it off and on. We're not running wires. And like I said, maybe it's for your house, but maybe you have seniors in your life, or maybe it's your parents or your grandparents or someone that you don't want them to have to worry, right? It's kind of worry-free. You go over, you install it either with the stake or with the mount. I'm gonna show you here all the different directions, okay? So once you mount it, these are the directions. You can read, it's really directional any way you want. And this is directional as well, your solar panel hill, to make sure it's in the sun, you're getting all that sun. So you go over to your parents' house, your grandparents' house, you install it for them, they don't have to worry about it. Then when they're walking up and down those stairs, or maybe it's the shed, or maybe it's the patio, or whenever they're coming home and it's dark, the light automatically comes on. Or if there's someone around that shouldn't be around, then you know they're safe. That light comes on. These bright LED, 8 LED lights come on and really light up the place for $20. And just as Chad said, we see it all the time, especially with Bell and Howell lights. People say, I wish I would have bought more than one. You're gonna see two. Look, I've got 2 of them right here. How much light outside could you light up motion activated light. So we're not remembering to turn them on. We're not forgetting to turn them off. $20 if you can, if it's in the budget. I highly recommend picking up a couple of these. Maybe one you do use the stake, another one you're putting up high. $19.95. And remember, everything in these 2 hours and everything all day is free shipping. Take advantage of those 3 flexible payments. So $6.65 in the tax, and we're going to ship this out to you, and you can go ahead and install these, and you set it, the sun charges it, and all of a sudden you forget about it, and there's light whenever you need it. Once again, Chad, you know, Belle and Howell, they like to think about the way we're going to use things, right? It's not just, hey, it's a great light, but it's like it's a great light that you don't have to worry about. That's going to be on when you need it on.
That's exactly right. Above a doorway, above a garage door, the shed, wherever you're going to be walking. I think we have a little video that I'm going to talk to just how this works. I mean, you can completely angle this wherever you want, but you see there, the sun powers it. And then when somebody intrudes maybe your space, that light comes on, they're scared. They want out of there. Within 25 feet of this device, I'm going to call it a device, it's going to activate. The sun powers it. Again, so no electrician needed, no batteries needed. The rechargeable batteries are built into it. You can't even remove them if you wanted to. The sun will power it up. It'll turn on only if it's dark, so you're not wasting the batteries in the day. And then heaven forbid there was ever an intruder, you could get him out of there. Or even just grilling. Look at this guy. You don't have to check the stakes or pull it back in. It kicks on. You get home from work. You're going down the stairs. I mean, the limit of what you can use this for is infinite because there's no place you can't put this. You can angle this wherever the sun goes. And then if the sun is directly above, tilt it back, tilt it up. I mean, the solar panel is actually larger than the light itself, because that's how powerful
it really is. And the fact that you can angle it, Chad, you know, the sun kind of hits your house throughout the season. It hits your house differently in kind of different places. Even if you wanted to move the light, you can, but you can adjust this and move it to make sure the sun is hitting it. It's just a great lighting solution that you can put it in place and not worry about it. You know, you come home, you're coming home from work and it's dark and you're not thinking about turning on that light or where is that light. It just comes on. It's motion activated. If you don't have any motion activated lights in and around your house, start with this. Start with this Belle and Howell spotlight right here for $20. Give it a try, free shipping. Look at the light in Chad's place. Look at that. Chad, thank you so much, my friend.
You're very welcome. Happy New Year, Ty. I'll see you probably the next couple of days.
Yes, hopefully so, my friend. Happy New Year.